Excellencies, Minister of Commerce and Minister of Agriculture, I welcome you here. Business community of the Russian Federation, members of Pakistani business community. I just want to reiterate that there is a big shift in the way Pakistan now sees its neighbors, near neighbors, meaning Afghanistan, Central Asia, Russia, because we feel regions develop. And unfortunately, the trade between this region has been very limited. Trade with Russia, as the Commerce Minister said, is less than $1 billion. Pakistan is a population of 220 million people. And the connectivity between Pakistan, Central Asia to the Russian Federation holds immense opportunities. So we would like to invite the members of Russian business community to Pakistan. We have a gathering of investors at the end of March. So we would like to invite as many members of your business community. It would be a time when you will be able to explore all the different possibilities of investment there. And I see today that there are, from the sectors of oil and gas, agriculture, railway, energy and power, pharma, cyber and IT, textiles, military technology, steel, and automotive. These are all different sectors sitting here. These are all different sectors which have immense potential for investment and business in Pakistan. So I would just use this opportunity to invite all of you. Please do come. We want to open up our country to Russian businesses, and we want our businessmen to have more interaction in Russia, which until now was hardly insignificant. We have businessmen who've prospered in Russia, like my friend Tarek, and that you will be a conduit between businesses here and businesses in Pakistan. And rest assured, we will be facilitating you in every possible way. Thank you.